Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we will see one practical example of HCF. So here the sum is like this. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind the army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in same number of columns. So here let's say 32 members are in in X columns. These are X columns. Then the band of a continent of 616 member also should be in the same number of columns. They should not have x1 x plus 1 columns or x minus 1 columns. But rows, yes, they can increase. They will increase definitely because the number is different. 616 members will take more number of rows compared to the army band of 32 members. So here our task is to find what is the maximum number of columns in which they can march. So here 616 and 32. So instead of these big numbers, first I will try and explain with the small numbers. Then we can easily correlate with the big numbers. So let's say 16 and 4 are there. So what is the maximum number of columns? We can try this one by one also. So let's say let's represent 4 members army band with a dot and 16 members with the star. So here we can have a 4 rows also. Such that for each column, each column only one person will be there. And next like this. So here this is taking 4 rows and it will take 16 rows and only one column. Is this the maximum number of columns? No. So we will try with two columns also can be possible. And next to stars. So here for 16 members. This is for 4 members. So here columns are 2. This is the maximum number of columns that they can parade. This is also possible, right? 4. All 4 numbers are in single row. And the next is all 16 members. So here the maximum number of columns are what? 4. In the similar manner, so how do we find? We can directly find this by doing the HCF of 16 comma 4. What is this? 4 is nothing but a HCF of 16 and 4. So in the similar manner we can find out HCF of 616 and 32 also. So that will give us the number. Okay, and yes. So let's find the HCF of 616 and 32 members, which gives us the maximum number of columns that they can parade. Here for 32 and 616, we know as Euclid's division algorithm, A is equals to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equals to R less than B. Here A greater than B. Okay, so value of A is 616 is equals to, what is value of B? That is 32. So how many times it will be? So let's see here. Next is what? 29 here plus 6. So how many times? 9 times 16. Yeah. So 10 times is 320 minus 32. So 288. So remainder is 8. So 32 9s are plus 8. Remainder is what? 8. So now is remainder 0 as per the Euclid's division algorithm, if you remember. So remainder is not 0. Then again we have to continue the process. So here 32 will become, here B value will become A in the next step, and here R will become B. So here B, how many times it will go? 4 times, plus remainder is 0. So here remainder is 0. Then what is the HCF? Here is 8. Whatever is the value of B, that is HCF. So 8 is the HCF of 616 and 32. So what does this mean? Here this means So 32 members can have maximum of 8 rows, sorry 8 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This, so 8 men. So this 32 members will take 4 rows. Each column is of 8 members, right? 8 columns. So similarly for 616 members will take how many rows? Here it is like 616 divided by 8. That is equals to 8 7 56. 56 means 5 plus 6 plus 7. So 77 rows they will take. So now you understood, right, how HCF can be practically useful. Hope you like the video.